In the beginning, there was just empty space, a driveway full of rocks, and a crazy request by the owner. I want you to build a waterfall in my atrium. I said, how? Dave, the rocks will lead the way. By handling stone, it forces you to set it where it wants to be. The foundation came first. No blueprint, no plan, just instinct, prayer, and work. Every stone had to be placed right, and some weighed over 100 pounds. Stone by stone, row by row, it started taking shape. This is what I love about building. You start with nothing but an idea, a pile of stone, piece by piece. It becomes something real. A waterfall isn't just stone and water, it's planning, patience, and never give up. It's seeing how everything fits together. It's what I do. I don't just build projects, I build spaces that talk. When the water runs, it speaks. And I thank God for showing me the way to build it, for giving me the hands, the patience, and the vision. Every pump and spillway had to be tested before we even installed it in place. Waterfall, because they become permanent. We wanted to make sure we had the correct amount of water flowing over this waterfall. The first time we ran the water, it looked right, but underneath there was a problem. When the original concrete was poured, there was no rebar. A crack formed in the base and the water drained to the bottom. You don't patch that, you fix it right. Sometimes you have to break something apart to rebuild it stronger. It was heartbreaking to see when I walked into the atrium. All the water was gone. All the planning, all the hours, all the lifting of that heavy rock had just drained through a crack in the bottom. It felt like everything I did just drained out under the ground beneath. I said, Matt, what are we going to do? We're going to rebuild the middle section, seal the base with a heavy roll-on membrane, and build it back stronger, lighter, and better than ever. We never gave up and we never surrendered. I've learned something over the years. God guides our hands, but we still have to do the work. This waterfall is more than stone and water. It's a reminder you don't always get the full set of drawings for your life. Have faith and start building yours today.